Okay, so magandang buhay everyone. So now that we are done with our first lesson, which is the digestive system, we will talking about one of the type of cell division, which is the mitosis. But before mitosis, a cell will undergo first we call the cell cycle. So cell cycle is divided into two. We have the interphase and the mitotic phase. So interphase, this is where most cells spend most of their time before they undergo cell division. So interphase is the interval between two cell division, and then interphase is divided into into three substages. The first gap period or G1, synthesis stage or S phase, second gap period or G2. So the first gap period or G1, what you need to remember is that this is where the cell grow. This is where the cell grow. The synthesis of protein and ribonucleic acid or RNA occurs and mitochondria increase in number because mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell that gives the cell an energy to undergo this type of cell reproduction or cell activity. So remember, first gap or G1, this is where the cell grow. And then next we have the synthesis stage or S phase. So during S phase, the DNA is being synthesized and being replicated. So DNA is being replicated during this phase or S phase DNA replication. Next. The last phase in interphase is the second gap period or G2. So this is where the cell grows rapidly, and in G1 the cell grow S phase DNA replication. In G2 the cell is preparing for the actual cell division, which is another stage in cell division, which is the M phase or the mitotic phase. Okay, remember, G1 cell grow, S phase DNA replication, G2 cell prepares for the actual cell division. So in our cell cycles, we have different checkpoints. So we have the first checkpoint in G1. So the G1 checkpoint, it checks if the cell is grow enough and the DNA is not damaged, because if the DNA is damaged, you will have a you will develop a genetic disorder because that damaged DNA will be replicated in the S phase. So when that happens, you can have different abnormalities in our body. And then the next checkpoint is in G2. So in G2, after the DNA is being replicated, the checkpoint in G2 will um, will check if the DNA is are replicated correctly. So meaning if the DNA is not replicated correctly, or the DNA is replicated incorrect, the cell will not pass through the next stage, which is the mitotic phase, because if that happen again, if the DNA is not replicated properly and DNA is damaged, you can develop genetic disorder or genetic abnormalities. Okay, so after interphase is the actual cell division. So what is cell division? Cell division occurs every after interphase. So we have two classification of cell. We have the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So the difference between the two, the prokaryotic cell, say they doesn't have nucleus. In eukaryotic cell, they have nucleus. So as humans, plants, we are under the eukaryotic cell because our cells have nucleus. So in eukaryotic cell, this type of cell division undergo in mitosis and meiosis. But in this lesson, we will be focusing in meiosis. In mitosis. So cell division is responsible for our growth, development, and regeneration. So remember, so for example, cell division is the reason why you grow from a baby to a teenager, because your cell divide from a single cell to two cell, three cell, and trillions of cell. You become you develop from a baby to a teenager to an adult because your cell undergo cell division. Another example. So everyone have experienced getting a wound, right? Or the sugat. So and then after a few days, you observe that the wound are totally healed. It is because of the cell division happened in our body. Okay? So again, we have two types of cell division, the mitosis and meiosis. But in this lesson, we'll be focusing in mitosis. So remember, in mitosis, um, after mitosis, we will have two identical daughter cell. Remember, two identical daughter cell. Meaning, when you say identical, it is same. So they have the same genetic material. Wait. And then mitosis, what you need to remember is in mitosis, it occurs in our body cell or our somatic cell. Body cell or somatic cell. Because meaning all the cell in our body except for our gametes or reproductive cell or sex cells or the sperm cell and egg cell. Remember, mitosis, it occurs in all body cells except for our reproductive cell or our gametes. So, but before we get into the different stages in mitosis, let us discuss about the chromosomes. So, chromosomes, they are thread-like structure or coiled DNA inside our nucleus. So, the nucleus from the animal and plant cell. So chromosomes contains or carries the genetic material which is our DNA. And then chromosomes, it have different parts. So the first part is the chromatids. So chromatids are the two identical halves of replicated chromosomes after the synthesis phase or S phase of the cell. And then we have the centromere. So in centromere, that is where that is the center of chromosome, and that is where the spindle fiber will attach during the cell division or the mitotic phase. And then we have the short arm and lower arm or the longer arm. So as short arm or big arm, meaning it is the upper arm that is shorter. And then of course, if there's a short, there's a long. So we called it the Q arm. Now, let us so every organism we have different number of chromosomes. So for example, we have the fruit fly which have 8 chromosomes, dogs with 78 chromosomes, and then humans we have 46 chromosomes, and then rice they have 24 chromosomes, and corn they have 20 chromosomes. So now the first phase in our mitosis is prophase. So in prophase, this okay. In prophase, the chromatins are condensed or thickened. So when that happened, so when the thickened happened, the nuclear membrane disappeared. Okay? So the nuclear membrane disappeared. So when the nuclear membrane disappeared, the centrioles will move in the opposite direction, and then it will start to pan up or release the spindle fibers, and then since the nuclear membrane are invisible or there is no nuclear membrane, the spindle fiber can attach to the centromere, which is the center of the chromosome. They will attach to the centromere. And then and remember that prophase, it is the longest phase in mitosis. So next phase we have metaphase. So metaphase, chromosomes are aligned in equilateral plane, or the chromosomes are aligned in the middle. M for middle. So the spindle fiber move the chromosome in the middle during the metaphase. So the next phase is the anaphase. So in anaphase, the spindle fibers become shorter, and then when that happened, the two sister chromatids are being pulled away in the opposite direction. Being pulled away in the opposite direction. A for away. They are pulled away from each other in the opposite direction. Next, we have the telophase. So telophase, the spindle fiber begins to contract and become shorter and continue to contract, causing the separation of genetically identical daughter cells. So in telophase, we will have two nuclei. So after that, we will have two nuclei or two nucleus containing the sister chromatids that being separated. Since the sister chromatids are in opposite direction, or the chromatids are in the opposite direction, the nuclear membrane will be visible again. So that is the end of the mitosis phase or the mitosis stage. But remember, in mitosis, the cell division occurs in the nucleus. So meaning we doesn't have two cell, but we have two nucleus inside one cytoplasm. So after telophase, we call this cytokinesis. So meaning the cytokinesis is the total separation of two cells, forming two identical daughter cells. So it is the inward movement in our cytoplasm for it to be separated totally to have two identical daughter cells. Okay, so that's it for our lesson. So if you are nakaabot ka dito, so congrats. Meron kang paalala mo sa akin na meron kang plus 5 sa ating quiz. Plus 5 sa magiging quiz natin sa ating next face-to-face. Makikilala ko naman kung sino yung nanood kasi hindi nyo man ito matatapos kung hindi nyo masasagutan yung mga activity habang pinapanood nyo tong lesson. So, okay. So, thank you and God bless everyone.